is not chill right now. This is not chill. We're doing this for the fans. For Shine. Hashtag Shine. Ready?
Action.
Is anybody gonna watch this for this?
No. That's his life.
Dude, why? Can you guys like give us some moral support? It's not chill right now.
Go Oscar.
I hate you guys. All you want me to do is turn around.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn around now.
Uh-oh.
Dude, seriously, you gotta turn around and...
No.
Shit's so sticky.
Oh!
Listen.
There's nothing there. Run, Oscar! Run!
Oh yeah, by the way, my brother's on Saturdays working Boston Hawk.
What?
My birthday. 3 and 4 finals. Yeah.
Which one? Dude, another fence.
Is that fence? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh! Did he get you? Back up, back up. Go, go, go. Go.
Dude. Not chill.
Did you see him?
No, I didn't even see it. Dude, tell me when you see a fence.
I didn't see.
Did you see it?
No, I just saw you spaz out and the thing blacked out.
Dude, I'm so lost.
Up fence.
Oh. Oh. Oh my.
Your screen scared the out of me. I can't. I'm gonna pop my
That's scary. Uh-oh, I can't see. Is this supposed to be the star? Uh-oh, Ben?
Don't walk into him. Go backwards.
I'm playing this. I'm not playing this game.
Okay, here's him. He's walking into him. Like, you see the guy and he's like, ah! But he keeps going forward into the guy. Like, what?
Oh.
Ow.
One more time?
No, I'm gonna go to bed.
Wait, what happened?
The guy
Oh.
got him.
How did it get
He walked into the guy. So basically, he just let him